Welcome back to my channel, babe. If you're new here, my name is teejaayifejika, and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. It is date night, and I want us to get ready together, okay? The vibe for tonight is soft, sexy, sultry. We're tackling hair first. This is a closure that I received from Tinashe Hair, and I love this wig. I love the highlights in it. Like, I didn't even have to dye this hair myself. It came straight out the box like this. Very easy, very like, I could just throw this on and get out the door. But since we are going out tonight and I may be entertaining some activities, I want to make sure that this wig is secure. So I did go ahead and add a layer of glue and just some extra adhesive spray just to make sure that we are secured. Okay, honey? We will be curling this unit, but I wanted to flat iron this unit first just to make sure that those curls are tamed and popping exactly how I want them to go. I love this flat iron. It really gets my hair straight. When I say bone straight, it does the job. I think I got this from Amazon. Everything that I will be using in this video will be linked in the description box, so make sure you check that out so you don't miss anything that your girl is using. And just look at that hair. Oh, I'm like so in love. I'm so in love. And now we'll be going in with the T3 curler to curl our hair to give those bombshell curls that I love. And we're gonna pin curl it just to make sure that while we're doing our makeup, the curls settle. Now with curling hair, guys, let me tell you, you gotta curl away from your face and you can't be afraid to layer your hair. That is the only way you're gonna get those bombshell curls that you be seeing the Instagram girlies rocking, okay? Do not be shy, do not be scared to cut layers into your hair and frame it away from your face. I will be doing an in-depth tutorial later. I want tonight's makeup to last me the entire night with whatever activity, drinking, whatever, okay? And if you know, you know. So I want to make sure that my face is hydrated before I go into it, and then, you know, just start my regular makeup routine. I will be doing an in-depth tutorial on my whole entire makeup process, but for today, I just want you to get into the techniques that I use. I only use brushes to blend out my makeup. I absolutely love how makeup applies with brushes. I used to be a beauty blender girly, but over time, I just was like, my makeup was disappearing, and come to find out it was the beauty blender soaking up all the product that I was using. So then I shifted into using brushes, and it just made my makeup look so much better. You know those beats that you be seeing on Instagram from like all the makeup artists that have the full glam? That's what they're using, brushes. They are not using beauty blenders unless they're just trying to make it look very seamless, but for the most part, they are using brushes. Everything, like I said, will be listed in the description box, like the products that I'll be using in today's video. But like I said, I will be doing an in-depth tutorial on my soft glam makeup. And let me tell you, it took me years to get to this point and just, you know, finding out what works for me, my favorite products, what works, what doesn't work, how I like my makeup, with doing a lot of trial and error. But honestly, it was the best thing that I could ever done. Shout out to TikTok, shout out to YouTube for teaching me how to really just do a soft glam at home without paying $100, $200 for a beat. Okay, self-sufficient queen here, and let me tell you, my routine is nothing to play with. And all the makeup products that I'm using in today's video are not all high-end. Some of these I got from drugstores, some of them I did get from Sephora and places like that. But let me tell you, your beats, it's not always about the product, but it is, but it's not. It's about your application. So I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys just watch me blend and do my thing and work my wrist, okay? Just get into the technique.
Right hand, a striker, tried to call, she blocked me, a striker, damn it, I think she got me, I like her, yardy love for yard, yeah, die for, rap the city, man, I'm coming live, 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 I'm gonna show me that you're wine and well, you show me that you're wine and well, I never knew about you so well, but when they make a kiss and tell, yeah, only pray for love. God and peace and love. I ain't the things we pray for war. So I they give them, so I they give them. One more time when she feeling, yeah. One more time when she giving, one more time when she living. Any for system, yeah. One more time when she feeling, one more time when she giving, one more time when we're living. I just pour one wine, I'm feeling like an MVP. I know that they're talking my name, but the man are old news like NBC. Tell a DJ dash where his MP3. Who's that girl with a MVP? Wait, what am I saying, Thunder? When I change number, I don't send VCs. Listen, it's a big flex if you're talking to me. ST, God bless my neighbors. She wanna do SMS, not save my soul, that's spend my savings. Wait, can you bring more champagne? For the times I was living in stress, I wanna own all my but the system's built.
And just like that, our beats is complete. Look at how I look, okay? Flawless, seamless, just beautiful. This beat took me about like 20-25 minutes. I've taken the time to learn how to make sure I do my makeup in a timely manner that doesn't take me hours. And this beat looks like I did take hours, but I didn't. Like, I just love it. Flush, blushed, and just ready to get out the door. And I'm just so excited to look delicious, okay? Like irresistible, and he's going to fall in love with me again at our date, and that's exactly what I want. And now we're moving into the final touches of getting ready for the night. Okay, this dress, I got this from Fashion Nova. Very nice, sexy dress. I love it. Okay, she's really given in this dress, and that's all I have to say. I'm gonna pair this with my watch from JBW and some bangles that I got from Amazon, I believe. I love these. I'm a gold girly, so anything to just spice up the look. These earrings are the best addition to this outfit, I guess. I think I got these from Shein. I will, like I said, I will link everything down below. And I love her. These shoes I also got from Shein. She is just immaculate, okay? I love the charms. I love the not so basic gold heel. And you know, you gotta moisturize. You gotta be shining. You have to be shining, okay? You don't wanna be looking dry and ashy when you're going out, okay? I wanna be glowy. Don't forget to moisturize, guys. I just want to say accessorizing your outfit is the key to making you look so good. You can have on a basic dress or whatever, but if you don't accessorize it well, you're going to be boring. And we're not boring, okay? We want to be that girl, and that girl loves to accessorize. You heard me talking about glowing, okay? And my favorite body oil to use is this one from Vaseline. It's so hydrating. It's so nice, silky on the skin, and also I want to add, it is not heavy and it doesn't leave a sticky residue afterwards, okay? I love to put this all over my body. And then on top of that, I like to add this Tom Ford body shimmer just to give me that extra glow on my chest. So when you're seeing me, I'm just reflecting and looking like a bronzed diamond, okay? Just edible, glowy, very rich skin.
My fragrance, I take a few different scents. I don't wear something straight out of the bottle. I'm very demure, very custom, very cutesy, very demure.
My two favorite fragrances to mix right now is the one from Yara and Versace, just giving me that nice nighttime scent.
Can I hear a little commotion for the dress? A little bit?
Now I'm off to my date.
Thanks for sleeping on me. That shit woke me up. What's for me is for me. Buckle loaded up. I swear